Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I am also fine. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand here. Today, I will tell you about patience. Means if any person contain it, then his life is very peaceful and also simple. Means patience is very necessary for everyone, but many people are become anger means early. They don't have a patience about anything. If they do any work, then they become anger early. Means they think that every work is happened at that time. They don't want to wait. They don't want to do wait for that work. They means not many people. I think every people don't contain a lot of patience. But those people who have a patience, they means if anyone said to any wrong word to them, then they have patience and they don't give them answer at that time. But when they get the chance, then they also give them the answer. And now here the students have no patience to for that they are not listening on me, they are not pay attention on me. So I think that patience is very necessary for everyone. I also have not patience about anything because if anyone said to me any wrong thing, then I also become a lot of anger. Means I don't hear anyone's wrong word. So that's why that at that time I give them answer about that words. But my mother said that if you contain patience, then your life is so easy because sometime about these reasons I become ill many times because of headache and many things. Just a reason about it means I don't contain patience properly. But I saw my mother. She contains a lot of patience. Means if anyone said to him any wrong thing, then she never gave that person a back answer. And it is a very good thing about my mother. And now I will tell you a story about a patience. Mean a businessman he want to situate his factory beside some blaze. And when he enter in that blaze, then a river is come and he think that if I go by the road, then I spend my 2 hours because the road is means their road is rounded, and that's why he spent there 2 hours. But if he think that if anyhow I cross this river, then my time is also save and I crossed this river by half an hour and I reached in that place. Then he start talking with a man who have a boat, and he said to him, if you take me on the other side of the river, then I will give you the money for your work. Then he said, okay, I will take you. And both are sitting in the boat, and they start. And the businessman in the middle of the river, the businessman said to him, why are you doing this work? Then he said that I am not educated, I don't know how to read and write, and it is my compulsion to do this work. Then he said, why are you not study at your childhood time? Then he said, because of some reasons of my family, that's why I am not study in my childhood. And the businessman start laughing. He make fun of that pupil. Then the pupil become angry, but he don't give him answer about his word. And he contained patience. And he said he think in his mind that no matter what he said, I don't mind on his words. Then the businessman start making his jokes a lot of, and he said that you saw that place there, I will situated a factory of mineral water. In the place people, they don't know about the mineral water, and they don't drink it, but in cities everyone know the value of mineral water, and also many people purchase it. And he said that you know about the factories. Then he said that I don't know about the factories. And the businessman start again laughing. Then after some time means the person who operate the boat, then he think that he is right, and his mind is disturbed. That's why his boat is the accident is happened with his boat, and a stone means his boat is crashed by the stone, by the big stone, and in the boat the water is filling, and he think that now we means where the accident is happened, then at that time the water level is so high, and the water in lower side the water is so deep. So that's why the person who operate the boat, he think that now we will die if we don't jump on that boat, then we died. Then he said to the businessman, you know how to swim. Then the businessman said that I don't know how to swim, if please help me. Then he said that your life is the person who operate the boat, he said that your life is useless, because now he get the chance to give them answer. If he give answer to at that time, then he don't get the chance in after that time, when the businessman said that I don't know how to swim. Then he said that your life is useless. If you don't know how to swim, then it is useless. Means if you died, if I not help you, then you died. And he said, the businessman said that please help me. And what I said, don't mind on that words. But now please help me, I beg you. So please help me. Then he said okay, but you don't make fun of anyone. You never do this type of work. And in this story means if that person is not contain the patience, then means he don't get the chance to say anything that a businessman. But when the businessman make his fun, that time he contain patience, and after that he get a big chance to explain him that if anyone don't know about anything, then you don't have a power to insult anyone. If you are rich, then you are rich for yourself, not for any other person. Then I think that if anyone become silent, and he don't like to talk any other person, he is a simple person, then no one make his laugh, because they contain a lot of things in his mind, and we think that that person is fool, but that person is not fool, because he is a very simple and means a very skillful person, because it is not so easy that every person is contain the patience. If anyone contain it, then it means it is very good for his life. Means he spend his life very easily and in his family. I think it means in his family every person become every person want silence. Means they all live peacefully in his family, but in those person who become anger early in their family means many problems is also happened why also them pupils. So that's all.